just saw 130. But yeah, it's ranging in that range from 110 to 130 degrees. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tool Squatch. Tonight, we're looking at Vanon replacement batteries. These happen to be their Pro series. So Vanon Pro replacement batteries. I got a Milwaukee battery here, 6 amp hour battery, and I got a Bosch battery here, 6 amp hour battery. And what we're going to be doing is, first, we're going to compare them to their 5 amp hour batteries and their 6 and 4 amp hour batteries over here and see if they're kind of the same power. And then after that, we're going to use some higher draw tools and we're going to just use them and use them and use them and see if we can get them to fry out. Because let's be honest, the biggest gripe about these are they fry out your tool, or they just break once they get a little bit warm, and then you're out the money for the battery. Heaven forbid, you fry out your $200 tool. So we're going to test all that stuff tonight. We're also going to open up the batteries because they claim to use LG 18650 cells, what happened to be a very, very good cell. So we're going to open up the pack, and we're going to show you guys if they're telling the truth or not. And we'll just get down to the bottom of this replacement battery stuff. And they do charge on your regular Milwaukee charger, your rapid charger, your supercharger. They definitely charge on your charger, so no need to buy a charger from Vanon. Up first, we're going to use the Milwaukee Gen 2 rear handle circular saw, and we're just going to make a couple of passes with their 5 amp hour regular battery and then the Vanon Pro 6 amp hour regular battery. And we'll see if we can tell a difference between both batteries in there, if they both work kind of the same. Up first, we're going to have the Vanon battery in there, fully charged. Let's just see how she does through this 2x8. No issues, no issue. All right, let's try out a regular Milwaukee 5 amp hour battery. Fully charged, see if we see any difference here. Now remember, these are both 18650 cell batteries. We're going to use the 2904 hammer drill. And we're going to use like a 1 3/8 paddle bit or a 1 1/2 inch paddle bit. Going through some pressure treated lumber, and we'll see which battery does it better. The Vanon 6 amp hour Pro or the Milwaukee 5 amp hour regular battery. First up, we're going to try the 5 amp hour 18650 cell Milwaukee battery. And then the next one will be a Vanon Pro 6 amp hour battery. We got a 1 3/8 inch Jorgensen paddle bit. Speed 2 in drill mode. Now the Vanon Pro's up. Speed 2 in drill mode, same 1 3/8 inch Jorgensen paddle bit, same piece of 4x4 pressure treat. Next test, we will be using the Bosch 1950 impact driver for a driving test. Each battery will drive in identical 8-inch timber locks into this stack of 4x4's pressure treat, and we'll see if there's a time difference. Now, Bosch only makes this 4 amp hour 21700 cell battery, so I'm trying to match it up as best as I can. Obviously, the Vanon 6 amp hour 18650 cell battery. We'll see which one's a little bit more powerful. Up first, the 4 amp hour 21700 cell battery is fully charged. Let's see what she can do. Speed 3 also. Just getting it started, guys. You ready? Alright, let's check out that Vanon battery. Alright, we got the Vanon battery. It is also fully charged. Same 8-inch timber lock going into this pressure treat. I'm just going to get started. Okay, you ready? let's see if we can get this battery to fry out. See if it's got what it takes to go toe-to-toe with the Milwaukee 2 9/16 switchblade through some pressure-treated lumber. We're just going to keep drilling holes till it gives out, or I'm satisfied with its quality. How about that? Far we have burned through 1 bar of battery life. I can feel how hot this drill's getting. The battery pack is also warm. Let's just keep pushing it. Let's just do a 1-inch paddle bit, and we'll just keep drilling holes until this piece of wood's almost gone. All right, guys? One after another. Speed 2 in drill mode. $150. So yeah, we definitely got it hot. If you want to know how hot the drill is, about the same temp, 110 to 120. So the drill and the battery is about the same temp. So far, we are down to battery bars. Now let's finish it off with some circular saw action. Same battery, it's down 2 bars. Going into the big rear handle saw. This battery is really warm too, guys, like super warm. All right, let's beat it up some more. down there. She's almost dead, guys. She's almost dead. Yeah. That's it. We killed it. Well, she's dead. The battery's dead. She will not produce... Oh, there we go. We got one more cut. Let's drain her all the way down. Nope. That was it. That's it. All right, guys. This battery, woo! It is a hot tamale. It is warm. $120 on the outer case. 122 inside. Yeah, the outside shell is about, oh, there's 130. I just saw 130. But yeah, it's ranging in that range from 110 to 130 degrees. But she didn't fry up my tool. She lasted a good amount of time for a 6 amp hour 650 cell battery. And she did some cutting with some heavy duty tools. I gotta say, I'm a little bit impressed. Now all we gotta do is open her up and see if they're telling the truth about the cells. If they are, you know, I don't know what. I give my tip of the hat to it. I believe they say they have LG cells in them. All right, there's the goop. I don't know what that means, but I do got a friend that knows what those are. Dr. Left Hand Thread will definitely know what type of cells those are. They are 18650 cells. INR 18650 0HJ2. But I don't see anything that says LG on it or Samsung. And I don't want to go any further because I don't want to kill myself. I don't know what I'm doing with these things. And if Dr. Left Hand Thread could comment and let everybody know exactly what type of cells those are, that would be great. Or if you, the viewer, know what type of cells those are, please put in the comments. Let us know. I don't claim to know everything. I'm not a big battery buff guy. Batteries are $46. You can find them on the Vanon website. The link will be in the description. Also, I will have a pin link in the comment section of the video. If you're interested, we do make a small, tiny 5% commission. And I think I'm going to have them give you guys a coupon code if you order through me so you can save even more money. Would I buy these on the regular? No. I'm still skeptical of them. But I will say some of these companies have stepped it up a little bit. Now, I don't know exactly what type of cell that was in the battery that we just opened, but I do know that looks proper for one of the bigger companies' cell manufacturers. I don't know if it's LG, Samsung, whatever it is. Like I said, if anybody knows, please put it in the comments. Dr. Left Hand Thread, if you could share your knowledge a little bit, that would be awesome. But I feel like it held up amazingly well. Do I feel like it's more powerful than the regular Milwaukee or Bosch battery? I don't. I feel like they're very on par. You get one more amp hours out of this. They're about the same size for the Milwaukee batteries as the 5 amp hour pack. So you're not justifying weight or size or anything like that. They're very, very similar. I will say I am shocked this battery did not fry out with our torture testing. I got the freaking drill so hot and the battery so hot, and it just kept chugging along until the battery died. And we got a lot done before that battery died. Let's be honest, guys. I mean, come on. We drilled, what, 50 holes and cut, I don't know, 30 or 35 cross cuts on a 2x8 Doug fir with two very high draw tools. I think if you had one of these in an impact driver, it'd last a few days before you had to charge it. The fact it charges with your Milwaukee or Bosch chargers is an added bonus. You don't have to lug around an extra charger. But yeah, there ain't much to say. I give him the check mark. I give him the check mark for now. We will continue using these to bring you guys maybe a little bit further down, a couple of months down the road, and see how they're still holding up. But for right now, they've done a great job, and I feel confident if anybody gets one of these, that their house isn't going to burn down, that their tool ain't going to fry out, and they're going to be pretty safe buying this product. So I give it a thumbs up. I really, really do. I was trying to make it fail because I'm not a replacement battery guy. I was trying to make this fail. It didn't fail, so it showed me up, and hey, I respect it. All right, guys, like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Don't forget about 10K giveaway. As soon as we hit 10K, we're giving all kinds of shit away. Become a member, get more odds to win that stuff. I don't want to keep you any longer. See you guys on the next one.